Dear students, following question is a 1 mark question, but it is one of the best question of this test series, which is based on unit processes for surface water treatment, and it talks about lime soda process for softening of water. Now this lime soda process of softening of water is method of removal of permanent hardness from water. Now we know that removal of permanent hardness includes both carbonate as well as non-carbonate hardness. So in lime and lime soda process, lime, that is CaOH2, that is calcium hydroxide, is added along with Na2CO3, that is called, that constitute the soda part in this lime soda process, and these both processes go hand in hand to remove the permanent hardness. Let us see that what is the reaction mechanism of this process. First of all, calcium hydroxide, that is lime, reacts with carbonate hardness of calcium and magnesium to form non-soluble precipitates of calcium carbonate, which settles here, and when it reacts with MgHCO3 that is magnesium bicarbonate, it forms calcium bicarbonate, which again precipitates into CaCO3 upon action with of lime. Now if we talk about non-carbonate hardness, let us say MgSO4, which is a non-carbonate hardness, it reacts with lime first of all to form MgOH2 plus CaSO4. CaSO4 is again non-carbonate hardness of calcium. So here you see that the role of lime is to convert the non-carbonate hardness of magnesium into non-carbonate hardness of calcium, which in turn reacts with Na2CO3, that is soda, to form the precipitates of CaCO3 plus Na2SO4 that are finally removed. Hence, this completes the process of removal of permanent hardness. So it says that lime reduces carbonate hardness, exactly correct, and soda ash removes the non-carbonate hardness, absolutely true. But what is written in D is exactly opposite of what is written in C. C is the correct choice. D gets eliminated, hence C will fetch the full marks. Thank you.